How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where on Mondays I showcase a particular multi-section home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Monday, I'm bringing to you the Columbus. I am back again with another Multi-Section Monday. This has been highly requested. You've been emailing me, calling me, hitting me up on Instagram saying, please, Mr. Tiny, bring back another Multi-Section Monday. And don't get it twisted, just because I do not have on a suit today, I'm still getting down to business. Threw on some casual wear because it is hot here in Texas today, so I chose to bring to you one of the hottest multi-section homes on the market right now. So if you are in the market for a 4-bedroom home, then look no further than the Columbus. This particular model is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,980 square feet. It's 30 feet wide, 66 feet in length, and we've got it on sale today for $195K. $195 wow, and I'm gonna show you a lot of wow factors going throughout this home. So I'm telling you guys, this is one that you can't beat, and keep in mind, this is $195K today. I can't tell you what it's gonna be next year, can't tell you what it's gonna be next month, but right now it's $195K. So looking at this home, it's going to start with the open concept that I love so much right here in the living area. As you see, you walk in, you got the abundance of space here in the living area to fit full-size furniture, couch, love seat, additional chairs. You have additional space for decor. We have the 3 windows up front, bringing in natural light. We have the white trim going throughout the home. We also have the blinds and glass front door, bringing in even more natural light. And then we also have the large tray ceiling right here centered in the home. You've got 4 can lights, the oil rubbed bronze 3-blade ceiling fan centered. And also we have vinyl plank flooring going throughout the home. There is no carpet in this home in any room. So I'm telling you, this is going to check a lot of boxes for a lot of you that's been hitting me up asking for a multi-section. And I'm telling you, if you're looking for an open concept, follow me right this way and we'll flow right into the kitchen area, where you have right here a desk. For a lot of you been working from home, you've got a desk right here in your kitchen. So if you like to eat, I didn't put it too far from the kitchen for you so you can get your snack on at the same time. But we chose to go with the Calcutta marble countertop here. We've also matched that with the 3 open shelves right here in Calcutta marble with silver piping. We've added the white shiplap accent wall right here at the desk area, going from the countertop up to the ceiling. And then we're going to keep with the 3 shelves, 3 storage spaces right here on each side with the drawers. You've got the space in the center for the chair, and we're going to keep the 3 thing going. Right over here, 3 stools to your island. That is going to give you plenty of prep space, plenty of space for seating, but also look at the 3 pendant lights up above that. So this is a lovely characteristic when you walk into the kitchen. It is an eye catcher and that wow factor that you're looking for. Now follow me over here and we'll take it into the pantry area. And just because I gave you all those 3s, I'm gonna give you one more, 4, right here with the 4 shelves in your wraparound walk-in pantry. So you have an abundance of space for your foods and everything that you need right here. And then if you follow me over, you'll see on the end of the island, we have 3 storage spaces right there with the open space, and also an electric outlet right there off the end that you'll see on both sides of the island. And we kept it going here. This home has plenty of storage. Look at these tall cabinets, deep as well. We have the beautiful microwave right there built in, and then of course, more storage. We've got your big, large drawers right here. And then to match that stainless steel microwave, we have the side-by-side stainless steel fridge, ice in the door, additional storage up above, wrapping all the way around here, which will complement these white cabinets to the Calcutta marble countertop and the white backsplash that we chose to add in shiplap going around. We've also threw in a small transom window to bring in that light into your kitchen area. Additional storage down below. Stainless steel, smooth top oven. Chose to add the cloudburst backsplash to kind of bring a color pop in here, and that looks so great with this matching white cabinet wrapped Venta hood. So you can see right here, that looks so great. And then of course, we want to keep it aesthetically pleasing with the small transom window on the opposite side here to bring in that light as well. Additional cabinets down below. We've got the dishwasher here in stainless steel as well. And then of course, I told you we're keeping the open concept going. So right here, you have the dining area, which I'm going to start off with these two picture windows, large picture windows here, bringing in the light. And you can see you have enough space here for a super large table, dining table that you can sit in here, accommodate a lot of family, a lot of friends. And I'm telling you, if you are accommodating all these people, then I'm sure you're going to need a lot of laundry to be done as well. So right here, we have your laundry room right here tucked off the rear of the home, which will also be your another exit right here, your rear exterior door coming into the home. And then you have the additional storage up top, space down below for your washing machine and dryer. So you have that tucked out of the rear of the home, which is great. And then we'll close that back and you can follow me right this way and we'll take it down to the guest side of the home. Keep in mind, this is a 4-bedroom. So I'm going to show you the 3 guest bedrooms that we have here. And this will be bedroom number 1. Come in, this is going to be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms. You can see right here, got the space with a window right there off the front, bringing the natural light, ceiling fan centered, and then you follow me on out and we will go to bedroom number 2. And as you walk on back, you'll see that this is a larger bedroom compared to the other. We've got the space right here for the window, bringing in that natural light. And I'll show you the closet right here. This is identical to the closet we just passed in the bedroom 1. And let's go to bedroom 3. This is guest bedroom 3. And as we come on back, this is identical in size to guest bedroom number 2. So you can see you have the same amount of space. We have the ceiling fan centered, window off the rear of the home. And then follow me over here. This closet is a little different because as you come in, you're going to be surprised by another door we've added in here. That's a quick access to your water heater. This is electric hot water heater, 40 gallon. You can convert to gas, shall you choose to, but we'll close that back. And of course, you've got the guests on this end of the home. You don't want them coming into your restroom. So we're going to go into the guest bathroom here. So as you come in, even though it's going to look like a master bath because it has the dual sinks right here with the additional storage down below, we have the linen up above the toilet. And then as you see right here, because it is the guest bathroom, we chose to make it easy for you and add the fiberglass 1-piece tub shower. So that way it can accommodate plenty of guests for those that need to take a bath, younger children, anything like that. They have the space to rub a dub in the tub. For the older guests that you may have or older children, they have the shower as well. So it's a double feature for you there. Now follow me on out. And I know what you came for. I know what you wanted to see. I know it. This is the Columbus. I told you, we're bringing to you the wow factor. So as you are wowed by this open concept here that we have in this home, keep in mind, this is $195K. I don't know where you're going to get that for this styling anywhere right now for a new 2021 home. Built from scratch, 1/2-inch sheetrock, 2x4s going throughout the home. I don't know where you're going to do it besides recreational resort cottages. Now follow me into the master bedroom and you'll see right here, we have a queen bed centered here in the room. So easily you can accommodate a king. We have nightstands on each side. Again, this is the master bedroom. So let's take it up to the upper room and show you that we've got the large tray ceiling in here as well. 4 can lights, ceiling fan centered. We have 2 windows right here off the front of the home. But I'm telling you, the wow factor does not stop there. We have the double doors here. And you know, if you're subscribed like you should be, anytime you see double doors, you know I got something more. So you come right in here and we're going to keep that double thing going. And we've got right here double raised lavvies on each side as soon as you enter the bathroom. If you look over to the side, you'll see right here we have the tub, large soaker tub. We have open bookcases on each side, so that way you can put your books, candles, anything that you like. And then right over there to the side, you'll see that we have the vanity. For those women that's been asking their husband, hey, go buy me that expensive vanity from that furniture store, Mr. Tiny took care of you. I already got it built in for you. And I already know I hear somebody in the back commenting, Mr. Tiny, I don't like to take baths. I need to take a shower. Look who you talking to. This is Mr. Tiny. I take care of you. So sit here and watch where I'm about to go next. So you'll see right here, as I come around, pay attention. Pay attention. Look what you got right here. The best shower that I've shown in a long time, right here in the Columbus. Come on around so I can show you how this shower is going down. I'm telling you, this is great right here in the shower. This is large and in charge. We've got the sand ivory tiled shower going around. We have the standard faucet there to the side. We have the rain shower faucet there centered so it can rain down on you. We've got the inverters on each side of the shower. We have the transom window just in case you're scared of the boogeyman and the lights go out. We've got additional light coming in for you. You also have the seat right here, so if you want to take a load off, you can do it right here. I'm telling you, it feels like you are at a deluxe spa right now, right here in the bathroom of the Columbus. I'm telling you, feels like back in my football days, we walked in with those showers that was open. This is what I feel like. I'm about to get ready to play a ball game in here. But enough of that. You guys follow me this way and you'll see. I know you're asking, Mr. Tiny, where's my closet? I took care of you. We got a walk-in closet right here. So look, we got shelves up top, shelves down low. We got shelves in the middle. And what do you know? You don't think that's it? Follow me this way. I'm telling you, you thought that was going to be it? No. Enough of the vanities. We got the vanities. Ring around the rosy. I know you want to know what's going on because you're nosy. Follow me right this way. And I'm giving you another walk-in closet. Another one. Another one. Again, we got the shelf up top, shelf down low, one more over here, and one in the middle, just for those that want the extra. I'm telling you, you got the double walk-in closet in your home in the Columbus. Where do they do that at? Not Columbus, but at Recreational Resort Cottages in Texas. That's where you're going to get it at. Now, as you follow me back through, I'm telling you, this home is lovely. You see that this is great. You get so much space here in the Columbus with a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, I told you, this home's 1,980 square feet. So follow me on out and look at this. Don't you want to come home to this? I'm telling you, if you're in the market for a 4-bedroom, you came to the right channel today. Let's take it over to the kitchen because I love it in here. We'll see right here. If you are currently in the market, then I don't know what you're doing. You better be ringing my phone right now. I'm telling you, go ahead and finish the video though. Go ahead and finish that. Give me my like, give me my thumbs up. But as soon as this video ends, give me a call and ask about the Columbus. Again, guys, let's keep it serious. This home is 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,980 square feet. It's on sale today for $195K, and you're getting what you're looking at today. All we do is take out the furniture, the decor, and it's coming to you for that price. So guys, this is a deal that you can't beat. And I hope that I brought to you today a multi-section Monday that you've been waiting on, one that you were anxious to see. I've got it to you today, and I hope I delivered with a lot of the wow factor. If I did, please go and like the video right now. Let me know what your favorite part of the video is as well. Go down, comment, let me know what you liked, what your favorite part of the video was, what you would like in your home, any changes you would like to make. Please let me know. We're taking constructive criticism here, and I love to bring new and innovative homes to the Recreational Resort Cottage channel for you. Also, subscribe. If you subscribe like you should be, then you know I'm bringing videos every week. All the way from 399 square foot tiny homes up to over 2,000 square foot multi-sections like you saw here today. So this is the place that you want to be every week as I showcase new videos. And also, if you want to contact me directly, run over to Instagram right now and follow me at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Columbus as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night and I'll make sure the price is right. And again, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Multi-Section Monday.